Good morning students. Today discuss magnetic field induction on the axis of current carrying coil. So this is the current carrying coil. Radius at center C, or I is the current pass through the coil. Right. From distance X, magnetic field induction. Small dl element taken coil on the coil, dl element. From the distance P, root over r square plus x square. So this is axial line. At the y-axis, dB taken theta angle, make angle theta. This is also theta. dB divided two components, dB cos theta, dB sin theta, dB sin theta, dB sin. Biased outla magnetic field induction dB is equal to. The biased outla magnetic field induction dB equal to mu naught I dl, mu naught by 4 pi I dl by root over r square plus x square whole square sin 90 degrees. 90 degrees make angle dl and r. So here square root cancel, dB equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl by r square plus x square. Effect of dB cos theta equal to 0. Magnetic field induction at point P. Magnetic field induction at point P. Magnetic field induction at point P. So B is equal to integration dB sin theta. Integration dB sin theta. The first equation, the second equation. From 1 and 2, B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into I dl by r square plus x square sin theta. From the diagram sin theta, this is a right angle triangle. Sin theta equal to r by root over r square plus x square. So B is equal to, so integration mu naught by 4 pi I dl into r by, so r square plus x square, r by root over r square plus x square. B is equal to mu naught by, so mu naught by 4 pi into I 1 by r square plus x square 4 power 3 by 2. So integration dl. Circular integration dl equal to 2 pi r. So B is equal to mu naught I into r by 4 pi, so r square plus x square whole power 3 by 2 into 2 pi r. So here pi cancel, 2 cancel. B is equal to mu naught I r square by r square plus x square whole power 2 whole power 3 by 2. B at axial line, B axial equal to mu naught I by 2 into r square plus x square into r square whole power 3 by 2. B axial. So here number of turns taken coil, n number of turns, n number of turns B axial line. B axial line equal to mu naught into Ni by 2 into R square plus X square whole power 3 by 2 into R square. So B at center, magnetic field induction at center, BC X is equal to 0, that is equal to mu naught Ni by 2 into so R square whole power 3 by 2 into R square. So square root cancel, square cancel. BC equal to mu naught Ni by 2R, mu naught Ni by 2R. B center, this is B center, mu naught Ni by 2R. N is the number of turns, I is the current, mu permeability, R is the radius of coil. Suppose here B axial, B at center, mu naught Ni by 2R. B axial is equal to mu naught Ni by 2 into R square plus X square whole power 3 by 2 into R square. So B axial equal to so mu naught Ni by 2 into R square common whole power 3 by 2 into 1 plus X square by R square whole power 3 by 2 into R square. So B axial equal to mu naught Ni by 2 into R cube into R square, so 1 plus X square by R square whole power 3 by 2. Here so root cancel. B axial equal to mu naught Ni by 2R to 1 plus X square by R square whole power 3 by 2. So this is a B center, mu naught Ni by 2R. B axial equal to BC into 1 by 1 plus X square by R square whole power 3 by 2. So BC by BX equal to 1 plus X square by R square whole power 3 by 2. Okay. BC by B axial 1 plus X square by R square whole power 3 by 2. So BAX by BC equal to 1 by 1 plus X square by R square whole power 3 by 2. Reverse, that is BC by BAX, that is 1 plus X square by R square whole power 3 by 2. Whole power 3 by 2. So here cases MF magnetic field induction at C. Magnetic field induction at C. Suppose this is 2 circle, rotate clockwise direction. This is R1 radius, R2 radius. I1 current, I2 current. That is equal to B small circle, B1 plus B2. That is equal to mu naught I1 by 2 R1 plus mu naught I2 by 2 R2. Different current. Same current, that is a mu naught I by 2 R1 plus mu naught I by 2 R2. Suppose one circle is a clockwise, another circle anti-clockwise. Direction of current. So direction of current, one is the clockwise, another one anti-clockwise. B net equal to B1 minus B2. This is R1 radius, R2 radius. Small circle, R1 radius, big circle R2 radius. So mu naught I by 2r1 minus mu naught I by 2r2. Suppose here half circle rotation, this is radius, diameter R D, is equal to formula BC equal to mu naught I by 2r into n. So n equal to 1 by 2. So BC is equal to mu naught I by 2r into 1 by 2. That is equal to BC equal to mu naught I by 4r. Mu naught I by 1 by 2, 1 by 4r. Suppose 1 by 4 rotation, magnetic field induction at C. This is R. So BC equal to mu naught I by 2r into 1 by 4. So BC equal to mu naught I by 8r. Arc. Next, magnetic field induction arc. Magnetic field induction arc. Magnetic field induction arc. So this is arc. So here B is equal to mu naught I by 2r into n. So n equal to theta by 2 pi. So B is equal to mu naught I by 2r into theta by 2 pi. Okay, mu naught I by 2r. N is equal to theta by 2 pi. Mu naught I by 2r into theta by 2 pi. In all different cases, so this is R1 radius, R2, current direction, so PQ, RS, B, RS and B, PQ equal to 0. So B, PQ, B net equal to B, PQ minus B, RQ. Sorry, B, PS minus B, QR, PQR. B net equal to B, PS and B, QR. Straightforward conductor BRS, BPQ also 0. Okay, BPS and BQS. So here arc theta equal to B is equal to mu naught n by 2r into theta by 2 pi. Theta by 2 pi. Mu naught I theta by 2 pi. Here mu naught I by 2r1 theta by 2 pi minus mu naught I by 2r2, r1 radius at center C2P, at C2Q, r2 radius, theta by 2 pi. So mu naught I by 4 pi common into theta. So 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So net magnetic field induction at center C. So mu naught I theta by 4 pi 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So different cases, suppose this condition B net equal to B straight line plus B curve line, B circle. B straight line plus B circle. B straight line mu naught I by 2r plus mu naught I by 2 pi r. So mu naught I by 2 are common. So 1 plus 1 by pi in this condition. So this condition, so B net equal to Bs minus Bc, B circle. So mu naught I by 2r minus mu naught I by 2 pi r. So mu naught I common, mu naught I 2r common. So 1 minus 1 by pi, 1 minus 1 by 5. Next, so two circles in series, two circles in a series. Two circles C1, C2. So that is equal to B1 by B2. B is equal to mu naught Ni by R. So B is proportional to N by R. B1 by B2 equal to N1 by N2 into R2 by R1 in series combination. And two circle parallel. So I current I1, I2. Here I1, I2, I current. C1, C2. That is equal to B is proportional to 1 by R square. In this condition, B1 by B2 is equal to R2 square by R1 square. R2 square by R1 square. R2 square by R1 square. Okay.